look like a madam.
What's a madam?
I don't know.
When I picture madam, I think of like the queen.
Okay.
You do look like a queen.
Queen. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a fun adventure vlog.
Yeah. Wait, do a YouTube thing.
Yeah, we are headed currently to the other side of the island because our side where we live has been so freaking rainy the past like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Or how long have I been here? A week? It's felt like 2 weeks.
Oh, the whole time you were gone, it was raining.
The whole time I was gone, it was like dumping rain. I got back, Hawaii flooded, like where we live. And then it's just been like so rainy and the water's been so brown because of all the rain and the rivers going into the ocean. So we were like, we should just drive to the other side of the island, find some sun, enjoy the blue water, and just, you know, we want Ozzy to go on the beach. She's like been so beach deprived.
Yeah.
So we.
Poor girl.
Poor thing.
It's partly cloudy. Oh,
It's
brace
partly
yourselves. Yellow light.
Whoa!
Even if we don't get pure sunshine, at least we know over here the water's blue and not poop brown.
Yeah. So yeah, we're going down there. We brought some snackies. We brought Dr. Pepper. We're gonna go have an adventure day, and we thought we'd take you along. We're gonna go to the beach, possibly go on a hike. I don't know if that's
Big
happening.
possibly. Big question mark on that one.
Big. Follow my finger with like a Disney.
And you're watching Disney Channel.
Let's go to the beach.
Perfect.
Did you say let's go beach?
Yeah.
You did? Say let's go beach. Take out your binky so I can hear you. Let's go beach. Yeah. Can I see your big smile without your binky in? You're the cutest. Whoa. Hey, guess whose birthday is next week?
Hi.
It's Ozzy's birthday next week.
Fly moon.
Yeah, take out your binky so I can hear you.
Fly moon.
Fly to the moon?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness,
On
that's
your birthday,
right.
she remembered.
We're flying to the moon on your birthday, girl. Ozzy, you're turning 2. Can you do this with your fingers? 2. Good job. You're gonna go on a rocket and fly to the moon?
Yeah.
Oh.
Rocket.
Yeah. Tanner, how's the rocket coming?
Okay. Good. I must say it's coming along very nicely.
Is it?
We've got the structural integrity in place, the groundwork. Right now, all it needs is a paint
life.
job, maybe some sparkles,
Yeah,
maybe
definitely sparkles.
I don't know, like we
It
could
needs
write
pink.
Aussie on it or something. It needs lots of pink, I guess.
You're such a girl dad.
Yeah. And then we just have to learn how to make it fly.
Yeah.
That might be the
Fly
hard
to
part. Fly to the
Fly to
moon!
Also, it's friggin' St. Patrick's Day, so I'm wearing green shoes.
Oh,
Click, click, click. What are you wearing that's green?
mine is a branch off of the true green in a form of aqua.
I don't think those qualify.
Yeah, they do. Don't pinch me, I'll freak out. I'll freak out, I'm driving! I'm driving. Okay, count to 10.
Powdered sugar was born.
That's right.
Right in this pathway down there.
Oh my.
Oh my.
Go, Ozzy. Right here is where powdered sugar was born. I think it was actually right there.
That's hilarious.
Powdered sugar. Daddy Sandy. Why is Daddy Sandy?
You just threw sand in my mouth. Yeah. No way.
Well, we made it to Lani Kai. It's pretty cold.
It's freezing.
It's windy and the temperature is just like cold. I hope the sun will come out because I feel like it'll get.
Like if you look out there, there's like blue sky
Yeah.
surrounding us. But where we are,
We're right on the clouds. So I'm like hoping the sun will come out and then it will be warm and we can snorkel and have fun. But right now we're just gonna play on the sand. Have some fun on the sand because it's a little too cold to get in.
look at the color of the water. It's not brown.
It's not brown. It looks so pretty. I feel like the sun's gonna come out. I have hope.
You know, if you dig deep enough, you can find hot lava.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ozzy, have you ever heard this song? You gotta
Digging
dig
up
them
a
holes.
hole,
So, you know.
Digging up a hole. The sun came out.
Okay. Move your hair out of your face. No.
It just has to turn around.
Tell us what you're doing.
Right now I'm using the Freedom app, 35. I'm about to snap a photo. Hey, don't. Dude, I don't know if I'm getting any of these, dude. Why did they make cameras that only have a certain amount of shots?
She's calling you annoying.
You're annoying.
Because you were like yelling your name for 10 minutes and I'm like, oh, it's annoying. And she was like, annoying! Daddy! She was like, Tanner!
Don't call me by my first name, punk.
Yeah.
No!
Let me swimming!
They say I'm acting crazy, but I just wanna lie in the sun. Whoa, lie in the sun.
Hello. Did you see the water?
Yeah.
And were you with your friends?
Yeah.
Was it awesome? Cool.
So we were at Lani Kai and it got so sunny. Went from being like freezing to so sunny. And so that was freaking awesome. It's still so sunny and hot. I'm pretty sure I got a little sunburn. And then Tanner was like, oh, there's a skate park up here that I really wanted to see. So him and Bryant went to the skate park for like 30 minutes and then just barely got back. And now we're headed out. But it was a successful beach day. I'm so happy we came because it ended up being so sunny. We're still the kids we used to be. Yeah. Yeah. And nothing hurts anymore. I feel kind of free. This looks so cool. The mountains are crazy. We just got in the car and I gave Ozzy her binky and I looked back. Immediately. She's so tired because she didn't get her nap today. So this is great. We have like an hour drive back. Hopefully she just sleeps. We just got home and Britt, I catch everything.
That was
You just
Actually amazing.
You just chucked that at me. We just got home and Tanner just chucked this at my head.
That was
Because I told him I wanted a Built Bar.
Of course.
And anyway, I'm about to eat this. This flavor is mint brownie. If you guys are interested in Built Bars, make sure to check out my description. I have a 10% off code, so use that up. Ozzy, do you want some bar?
Yeah.
She loves these bars, huh? And she.
No.
Whoa, is that good? Oh, dang, girl. You're digging this bar, aren't you? You're gonna eat the whole thing. She always eats like half of my bars. In a couple hours, we're gonna go meet up with some friends and have dinner. Our friends, Kylie and Alex, are visiting Oahu right now, so we are gonna go get some dinner with them. Seven Brothers at the Mill.
I have a bite.
Wait, this is the first time we're trying this flavor.
I
What does it taste like?
Okay, imagine this.
like.
Come home from a long day of school. You walk in, you smell something. Something's cooking in the oven, baking. It's mint brownies.
This is the longest description in the
mom?
world.
Slice corner piece, because those are the best. Well, we'll go middle. It's pretty gooey. Middle piece. Here you go. On a paper towel. You take a bite. Boom. That's what just happened to me.
Mint brownie.
That's so good.
Go Ozzy. Go. Go. Go Ozzy.
Go Ozzy. Go Ozzy.
Go Ozzy. Go Ozzy. Go Ozzy. Go Ozzy. Ozzy. What are you doing? Oz, where's the moon? Where is it?
Hiding, he's hiding, he's hiding.
Where is it? There it is!
Do you want to fly to the moon? Fly to the moon.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Ozzy and
Can
crew.
you guys do a high five?
Can you guys high five?
Touch.
Oh, he doesn't want to. That's okay.
No.
Ozzy, he doesn't want to.
She's doing it just to bug him.
Ozzy.
She's intelligent.
Give him a high five and she goes. He's like, Ozzy's straw.
You know that guy?
He's like, everyone's laughing right now.
Ozzy, who is that?
Who is it?
Hey, Ozzy! You think it's so funny?
Ozzy, who is that? Ozzy,
Who's that?
who is that? Who's that?
Guy.
It's a guy.